Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stylish patio seating area decor ideas and tips for decorating perfect and inviting outdoor living space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Patio seating area is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the outdoors with family and friends. Patio seating area decor is the art of creating a stylish and inviting outdoor space where you can relax and entertain guests. It involves choosing the right furniture, accessories, and plants to create a space that is both comfortable and aesthetically pleasing. How to style an outdoor patio seating area. When styling your outdoor patio seating area, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, choose the right furniture. The type of furniture you choose will depend on the size and layout of your patio, as well as your personal style. If you have a small patio, you'll want to choose furniture that is scaled to your space and that can be easily moved around. If you have a larger patio, you can create different zones, such as a dining area, a conversation area, and a lounge area. Second, add plants and accessories. Plants and accessories can help to add color, texture, and interest to your patio seating area. Choose plants that are suited to your climate and that will thrive in the amount of sunlight your patio receives. When choosing accessories, try to mix and match different materials and styles to create a unique look. Third, create a focal point. Every outdoor seating area needs a focal point. This could be a fireplace, a water feature, or simply a piece of art. Having a focal point will help to ground the space and make it feel more inviting. How to decorate a backyard patio seating area. When decorating a backyard patio seating area, you'll want to consider the following. First, the size of your patio. If you have a small patio, you'll want to choose furniture and accessories that are scaled to your space. You'll also want to create a focal point to help ground the space and make it feel more inviting. Second, the layout of your patio. Consider how you want to use your patio seating area. Do you want to create a dining area, a conversation area, and a lounge area? Once you know how you want to use your space, you can start to choose furniture and accessories that will help you to achieve your desired look. Third, your personal style. Your patio seating area should reflect your personal style. Choose furniture, accessories that are able to describe your personality. How to make your patio seating area look good. Here are a few tips on how to make your patio seating area look good. First, choose a cohesive color scheme. When choosing furniture and accessories for your patio seating area, try to stick to a cohesive color scheme. This will help to create a unified look. Second, mix and match textures and materials. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and materials to create a visually interesting look. For example, you could pair a wooden coffee table with metal chairs or a wicker sofa with fabric pillows. Third, add personal touches. Add personal touches to your patio seating area to make it feel more like home. This could include displaying family photos, hanging artwork, or adding a favorite throw blanket. What to put on a small patio seating area. When decorating a small patio seating area, it's important to choose furniture and accessories that are scaled to your space. You'll also want to avoid overcrowding the space. Here are a few tips. First, choose multifunctional furniture. Choose furniture that can serve multiple purposes. For example, a coffee table with storage can be used to store pillows, blankets, and games. Second, use vertical space. If you have limited floor space, use vertical space to your advantage. Hang planters, shelves, and artwork on the walls. Third, use mirrors. Mirrors can help to make a small space feel larger. Place a mirror opposite a window to reflect light and create the illusion of more space. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 of the best patio seating area decor ideas. 1. Add a rug. A rug can help to define your patio seating area and make it feel more cozy. Choose a rug that is made from a durable outdoor material and that is weatherproof. 2. Add pillows and throws. Pillows and throws can add a touch of comfort and style to your patio seating area. Choose pillows and throws in colors and patterns that complement your outdoor furniture and decor. 3. Add a coffee table or ottoman. A coffee table or ottoman can provide a place to rest your drinks and snacks while you're relaxing on your patio. Choose a coffee table or ottoman in a height that is proportional to your patio furniture. 4. Add a side table. A side table is a great place to keep a lamp, a book, or a drink. Choose a side table in a style that complements your patio furniture and decor. 5. Add a canopy or umbrella. A canopy or umbrella can provide shade from the sun and rain. Choose a canopy or umbrella in a size that is appropriate for your patio seating area. 6. Add string lights. String lights can add a touch of ambience to your patio seating area. Choose string lights in a style that complements your outdoor furniture and decor. 7. Add plants. Plants can help to add color, texture, and interest to your patio seating area. Choose plants that are suited to your climate and that will thrive in the amount of sunlight your patio receives. 8. Add a water feature. A water feature can add a touch of serenity to your patio seating area. Choose a water feature in a size that is appropriate for your patio seating area. 9. Add a fire pit or fireplace. A fire pit or fireplace can provide warmth and ambience on cool evenings. Choose a fire pit or fireplace in a size that is appropriate for your patio seating area. 10. Add outdoor art. Outdoor art can add a touch of personality to your patio seating area. Choose outdoor art that is made from a durable material and that is weatherproof. Creating a stylish and inviting patio seating area is a great way to enjoy the outdoors with family and friends. By following the tips above, you can create a space that is both comfortable and aesthetically pleasing. Now, it's your turn to get creative. What are some of your favorite patio seating area decor ideas? Share them in the comments below. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of stylish patio seating area decor ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.